Okay folks, moving right along. Got our Master 130 here, which is basically, it's the same internals as the 140. And it is a working lock. There's the key. It's a 4-pin lock. There's the bitting. Back pin is a little high. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anyways, it's the same key as the 140 key. Fits right in that. Won't open it, but it fits in. So there it is. Let's give this puppy a try. It's harder to hold than the 140 being so small. Okay, let's give her a try. I could feel those first 2 pins set right off the bat. Let's see if I can get the back ones. Okay, there's 3 of them set. One of them's still bound there. A bugger to hold on to though. I think that's it. Let me see if I can turn it around for you. That's it. So that's that one. That's the 130 picked. Small little bugger. Alrighty, so that's 2 of the 5. Moving on to the next one. That'll be in my next video. Alright, so we'll see you in the next one. Hey folks, we're back here picking 5 locks. Moving on to the Magnums. These are cheap locks. They come in packs of 2 or 4 keyed similarly. Now these 2 are keyed differently. This is the easier of the 2 to pick. But the bitting is, you can see it. It's pretty straight right across, which makes it pretty easy to pick. So we'll go ahead with that one, give it a try. Made by Masterlock. They're copies of the Masters actually, but they are Masterlocks, just marketed cheaper. Maybe there's cheaper internals, I don't know. But anyways, let's give this one a try. This one's really easy to pick. That's it. All you gotta do with this sucker is pretty much rake it, bump it. That's that one. So that's that Master. Or sorry, Magnum. Moving on to the next Magnum. That's that one. This one is a bit of a bitch to pick, even though it's a cheap lock, because those back 2 pins, I don't know if you can see that on the key right here. Those back 2 pins right there are quite high up and hard to set. So let's see if I can do this before I run out of time here. Use a different pick. One with a little bit higher bend to it to get those back ones. Oh, and I got her right there. So that's that one. That's the Magnum, the second Magnum, which is made by Masterlock. All these locks purchased from Home Depot. And in Canada you can get them anywhere. Canadian Tire, Home Depot. They're very, very common. Okay, so that's it people. Moving on to the next lock. We'll see that one in the next video. It's the 532. Alrighty.